So hello crypto smart investor. In this video, we'll be learning how to get started with the gate.io crypto exchange. So gate.io is actually one of the top crypto exchange that you have out there. So here is my Google Play Store. So because I already have Gate installed on my device, I'll quickly click on updates. So just know that for you to start trading crypto as a pro, you need a very top exchange to do that. And one of your best bets is gate.io. I've actually discussed a very important exchange also that you can use. Click the link up there now to see that particular exchange. For gate.io, you can do a lot of things with it. You can trade futures with it. You can trade a lot of leverage tokens with it, and you can make maximum profit. So this video series is going to be focused majorly on everything you can do on gate.io. So why don't you sit back and relax, because we'll be unleashing everything about gate.io. Now, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, go ahead to smash that subscribe button right away, because we are going to be sharing massive value as regard crypto trading, especially if you are a newbie. If you have any question, go ahead to drop it in the comment section below. Also like and share this video to encourage us to do more. So our gate.io is all open. So click on this button right here. Once you click it, it opens up your gate.io app. So it says what? Invite friends and share a 40% commission. So the thing is, before you can get started on gate.io, you can actually invite friends to earn more commissions. So if you want to get started, there is a link that is in the description box below that you can use to get started on gate.io. So view great posts and all that. So it's actually a very nice exchange. So everything, the graphics is perfect, the user interface is perfect. What else can you ask for? So enter now. So hit on enter now and it brings us here. So if you are starting out with gate.io, this is exactly how your interface is gonna look like. So you have Gate, so you can actually register using your email. So whichever one is convenient for you, you can register through any of these means. Remember, to get started with gate.io, you can use the link in the description box below to get started, or you can equally use the account ID dropped there. You quickly enter your email address, then enter your login password, then you enter your fund password, then you now enter the account ID of the person that invited you. Go ahead to open your gate.io account, because if you love Binance, then you definitely love gate.io. If you love FTX, then you definitely love gate.io, because the mobile app is top notch, is sweet, like so sweet. So if you have done all that, the email address is a valid email address that you can use to receive updates. Then the input login password. So this login password is the password that you can use to log in. Then the input fund password. Fund password is anytime you want to make a transaction. Gate.io has put this particular step in place to avoid you making uncalled transactions. And anytime you want to make withdrawals or transfers from either gate.io to a decentralized exchange or to another centralized exchange, you need the fund password. All these are security measures to help protect you, the customer, better. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead to get started with gate.io. So make sure your password is as strong as possible. Use numbers, use letters, use a lot of asterisk, question mark, and all that. So for input fund password, your fund password should be 6 characters at least. So 6 characters. You can have it with numbers, you can have it with letters, and a whole lot. Just make it strong. Then you also have this section that says what? Invited by. It's very easy to get started. Hope you got value in this video. In the next video, we'll be demystifying the interface of gate.io. I know you're excited to do that. If you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, go ahead to smash that subscribe button right now, because great crypto value is only what you get. If you have any question, drop it in the comment section below. Go ahead to like and share this video to as many people as possible. Remember to always do one thing: trade responsibly. Peace out.